The Evviva Sciences 3D Anatomy Kit offers a hands-on approach to understanding human anatomy, making it an excellent educational tool for students studying in the medical field. With detailed models of the human heart, torso, and skeleton, these anatomy tools stand upright on included stands, providing a clear and engaging way to learn about human biology. The kit includes a comprehensive 52-page guide written by medical professionals featuring detailed illustrations and information on vital organs and bones. Each model is constructed from sturdy materials, ensuring durability and longevity, making it a reliable resource for repeated educational use. Designed for those aged 15 years and older, this kit is perfect for aspiring medical professionals or anyone with a keen interest in science. Evviva Sciences has crafted these models not only for educational purposes, but also to inspire curiosity and excitement in learning about the human body.